Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we're starting the Halloween series. I am so excited. A little bit late, but that's okay. We're going to catch up. Okay, so we are going to be making some really fun coffin tags. So I made these really adorable tags that look like coffin, and I thought these were so cute. I just love the way they turned out, and I want to show you guys how to make them. Super duper easy. Okay, so what you need for this project is a coffin cookie cutter. I got this coffin shaped cookie cutter at the Dollar Tree. They have tons of different kinds of shape that you can grab from. I grabbed this one because I love this coffin kind of look, and so that is what I use to get my coffin shape on my paper. All right, so here I have one already cut out to save some time. All you gotta do is just put the coffin on the paper that you want to use, trace it out with a pencil, and then just cut it out, fuzzy cut it. Okay, that's literally all I did for this right here. Okay, now I also started these, but I want to show you guys how I put them together. Very simple. Find yourself some really fun little Halloween images. Now you can also use some stickers if you don't have image. These right here are from the paper pad called Hocus Pocus from Michaels a few years ago. And what I did is I took this paper and I fuzzy cut all these little signs that you see there. That's literally all I did. Okay, so find a paper that has some Halloween images that you can fuzzy cut, or you can always use stickers. Once you decide on your little signs that you're going to add to your coffin, then we're going to put them together. All right, so what I did here is I cut these two little signs. This one says happy hunting, and then this one says come in my pretty. See there? And we're going to use these two little signs to create our little embellishment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my little sign to my coffin. I'm not going to go too crazy and worry about how it's going to look. I kind of want it to look a little bit wonky anyway. So what I did is I fuzzy cut the little image and I added dimensions on the back so this can lift up a little bit when we add it to the coffin. All right, so now let's glue down these really cute little signs. All right, and I'm going to add this one down here. Come my pretty is going to go right there. All right, so let's glue that one down. Just like that. All right, I don't want them to look perfect. I kind of want them to look kind of wonky. So now that I have my signs, my little pretty signs glued down to my coffin, you see how pretty that looks? How cute is that? All right, now what I did with these is I went back and I added some funky little cute Halloween wordings. Like this one says monster. This one says vampire. Oops. See that? Vampire. This one says pumpkin. All right. And this one says trick. These are all little Halloween wordings that I also got from a paper pad. All right, I'm gonna glue these down kind of sporadically, and I'm gonna also do this one because this one I did already with the little images in the front. I already glued them down, so we can do these together. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add these little wordings sporadically in different places. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just going to add this literally like in little places like this. Like this one I'm going to add there. All right, this trick I'm going to add maybe here. Okay, I'm going to add this maybe like that. Okay, And then for this one, we can add the word, let's see here, vampire. And maybe we can add the word vampire like that. All right, so now that we have our little wordings already added to our little embellishment, I have 2 more here that I can use. Let's see, maybe we can add trick down here. Since we have a little space there, let's do that. Okay. I'm gonna add trick, maybe down here. Okay, and now looks like we have our little embellishment more or less kind of done. All right, so for now, this is what it looks like. It looks so cute. I love it. See that? Look at these cute little coffin tags, how cute they are. So cute. I love them. Okay, so to finish them off, what I did with these here, I added some sequins and some little gems around the coffin. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. I have some gems here that I'm going to be adding sporadically, okay? And that's just going to give it a nice little look to the embellishment. All right, so okay, here we go. I'm gonna add this one over here, and I'm just gonna go sporadically. I'm not gonna really go crazy and you know, pinpoint where I want to add my bling. I'm just gonna go with it, okay, and just add them where I think it looks nice. Okay, I'm going to add this one here. I'm going to add this one here. Now you have to be careful because these little blings, I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are really, really fun to use, but they don't really glue well, okay? And they look like this, in case you're wondering what they look like. They don't really glue down well, so you would have to probably either use hot glue or some sort of glue just to give it security so it doesn't fall off. All right, so just make sure you keep that in mind if you're using these little blings. Okay, I'm gonna add this purple one over here. And I think I'm gonna add another one right here. And I think we're done with this really fun embellishment. Maybe right here. There we go. And we're done. All we gotta do is punch the little hole, string through our little string, and we have our little tags ready. How fun. Let's do that right now. So I have my punching hole right here. I'm just going to make a nice little hole there. A nice little, hold on, let me do it like this. You can see better like that. Little hole there and one here. We're going to go in and we're going to add I'm going to use this gold thread because I absolutely love it and I am obsessed with it. But you can use whatever you want. You can use twine if you want, or you can even use ribbon if you want. Like Halloween ribbon would be great to use it as well. I also have this kind of like funny thread that you can also use if you want. All right, so I think we are done with our coffin tag. Yes. Yes. All right, I have one more here to do. And then we're done. And these are really fun little tags that you can add to like a goodie bag or like a nice little present that you're giving to someone for Halloween. Or you can actually just use them as little embellishments too. And that's it, my loves. That is how we create this fun, adorable little embellishment. How adorable is that? I love it. I think it turned out super, super, super cute. All right, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make these fun, adorable coffin tags. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these beautiful little tags. And I will see you guys on our next Halloween series video. I love you all. See you soon.